What's going on, everybody? Rob here. I'm in Alsip Nursery, I think it's St. John, Indiana. And you know me, I love water. I love being by the water. Well, this is the fountain section. I'll turn around so you can see it right. But they got all kind of fountains. They got the little tabletop fountains. These are beautiful. This is a very nice tabletop fountain. And the tabletop fountains are 20% off right now. Now these are beautiful. The LED ones, $1,900 for these, but it goes all the way back with fountains. Now these are little tabletop fountains also, $100 each for these tabletop fountains, but these are nice and beautiful. But then you get back here, you know, it costs to be the boss if you want a fountain, and I love the way running water sounds. So look at this, it's all a fountain. Goes down. This one right here is $7.97. This is a nice smaller one right here, $3.97. Watch, I'm gonna make myself one of these coming up. Now this right here, $6.97. But you were to think that that would be filled up with water, but that is actually a planter box right there. This is a really nice one also. That's $500. The light at the top will look really nice at nighttime. And there's one of those water balls. The small one is $3.97, but they have the large one for $1,000. Look at how big that one is. And the water just flows down the side and goes back in there. Here's the statues. Now what the one that I want to see, the large soldier is only $2.97. I want this size battle cross, or a life-size battle cross. I cannot find it anywhere. It's another nice one right there. Lit. 20% off all fountains. The little girl drinking. I don't know how that one is. Now look at this. Oh, beautiful. Fountain delivery and setup. Oh my god, we're gonna go over there later. Look at that. Beautiful. There's a nice one right there. This one is $8.57. $8.57 for that one right there. This one right here is beautiful also. This one, the price is off of it. Can't see the price. I'm in Alsip Nursery. Wow, look how big this one is. Final sale, $9.92. So this is actually very cheap for this really big one. $9.92 with the remote control. This is another nice one right here. Final balance rings, $6.92 for that huge fountain right there. It's like their clearance, I guess. This is another beautiful one right here, $7.97. And that one's sold. The huge one is sold. There's big rocks up there even. This is Alsip Nursery in St. John, Indiana. It's a huge nursery, so we're going to walk all around. Talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share.